Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the iPad. Confirm model and iOS version because compatibility matters, and back up everything to iCloud or a computer so you can restore if needed. Next, obtain a reliable jailbreak tool for your exact iOS build. This unlocks the ability to run unsigned code. Once done, install an SSH client on your computer and download the tailored Android image and any kernel patches. Make sure battery is above 50% and you have a stable USB cable. Now you install the custom bootloader provided by the project. This replaces the default boot path so the iPad can boot Android. Once the bootloader is active, transfer the Android image, kernel patches, and any vendor blobs to the device using SSH or SFTP. Then flash the image to the designated partition, adjust partition sizes if required, and create or edit the boot entry so the device knows which system to start. Make sure to verify checksums and follow exact file names. On first boot, choose Android from the boot menu and complete the initial setup. Install Play services only if your port supports them. If the device fails or enters a boot loop, power down and re-enter recovery, then reflash the bootloader or restore your backup image. That often resolves corrupted installs. Make sure to collect system logs over SSH and note timestamps and error codes because these details speed up fixes. Finally, test Wi-Fi, touch, and camera and keep a restore plan ready.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.